Sunday. If it's not for you, I'll be probably talking to myself today. Okay, so now what we're going to do is that, you want spotlight? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get ready some ingredients first, okay? So have you got some frozen berries?
I have strawberries only.
Yeah, strawberries, that's great. You take it out, put it in a bowl so that it can speed up the process, thawing it first. Otherwise, it's going to be like a rock. So what I have is I got a variety of berries. I'm still thawing it also. It's kind of cold. Yeah. So I have blackberries. Let's see. We do here. I have blackberries, strawberries, and also raspberries. So if you're using frozen one, then you probably have to wait for a while and let it thaw for a while, right? And then also, just for the fun of it, we will also do a couple of versions lah. But anyways, next is berry shake. Have you got berry shake? Otherwise, vanilla.
I have vanilla.
Yes. So tropical fruit works great. Berry works great. Vanilla works great as well. So get ready your vanilla shake, right? Or strawberry shake or tropical fruit shake. And then apple fiber. So for some of you, if you have collagen, right? I have my collagen, but I'm not going to put it today. I keep the recipe today simple, all right? And then also honey. I mean, you got honey.
Vanilla honey.
Oh, that's fine then. Okay, very good. So since you have vanilla honey, right, then you don't need the vanilla extract. This is optional. Vanilla extract, you can go with or without because our shake is already very flavorful, right? So this is optional. Any form of plant-based milk, soy milk, almond milk, oat milk, rice milk, fine. I would prefer either almond milk or soy milk. Okay, so Mandarin, you can unmute yourself, no problem. Then I know what you're doing.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, so you got them. Awesome. And then also chia seed. So I've got some pre-soaked already. If you already have got pre-soaked one, then we can do the layers later. If you do not have, also no problem. I'll show you how to do it. Then later, maybe after 2 hours or so, you can start to have your chia pudding already. That means you put it in the fridge. Have you got any pre-soaked ones?
I soaked it in soy milk last night.
Oh, yeah, awesome. Then we can do it together. Okay, sultana is optional, right? The reason why is that I want to keep the sugar low. So I just grab it from a little bit more dried fruits or from the berries itself, and also like the shakes. And then apple fiber does have its own sweetness. This is just my all-time favorite. I like to have a little bit of sweetness there. Totally up to you, with or without also it's fine, okay? And a little bit of granola for the topping. This is also optional. You can make your own granola. For me, a bit lazy, I'll do a store-bought one. But take note that granolas, right? Some of them inside will have like a lot of dried fruit. So you want to just have a look and see, make sure that it's not so, it's not too sweet, okay? And then another thing is, Mandarin, I like to buy Jordan. So Mandarin and myself, we're based in Perth. Jordan, sometimes $5 only.
Yeah, it's always on half price.
And I always like clear up the entire supermarket shelf. Okay, another thing is a shaker cup will do. See, you don't even have need a blender. Yeah, shaker cup will do. The tools, And then if you have any little mason jars, or even if you have this kind of nice little smoothie jars, or, oh, I forgot to take it out. Or Any tools that you can hold. Oh, sorry. This one, I don't have extra now. This type of glass flat surface Tupperware with a lid on is also great. Okay. I used up for my cooking already. All right. You got all set already, Marine?
Yes.
And also a little bit of water.
Okay.
I'm thinking why I want this water, but no problem. I just took it here just in case if I'm walking to my fridge. I forgot what we need the most. I've done my pre-soaked chia seeds already, right? So to speed up the process. So per serving, right? Per person serving size is 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, okay? So I have pre-soaked mine. I will layer this up later. So what you want to do is that put the chia seeds, dry chia seeds, right? Dry chia seeds, 2 tablespoons. Get all this out of the way first. You doing it with me, Marine?
Yeah.
Awesome. So much fun. And what did I want? Oh. Some special addition, if you have at home. If you have at home, oh, mine a bit dry already. Mint.
Mint, oh, no.
If you have. Don't
I have
have, no problem. I just happen to have them.
I have mint
So,
milk, the shake.
oh, no. No need. This one is just for garnish lah.
The mint.
All right. So I'm going to do 2 versions. One is the quick one, which I've already prepared. All right. Which I already prepared. So we have already prepared our chia seeds, correct? So, which one more watery? Okay. Do this first. Let's see if everybody can see. All right. Where? So I'm trying to put myself in the screen. Zoom out a little bit will be better. Jason's here to help me.
Nice. Hi, Jason.
Okay. I think I soaked more than that. Let's see. So you take out your pre-soaked chia seeds. Stir it up. Does yours get lumpy?
Yeah.
I'm going to teach you how to reduce the lumpiness, okay? All right. Let me see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour inside. This may be a little bit extra. So what we're doing is home cooking style kind of snack. So portion-wise and things like that, don't worry about it. If you have too much or too little of something, it's okay. Now, shake. Oh, my berry is not open yet. Okay. You ready?
A little bit. Sorry, I think I have.
Yeah, I'll wait for you.
Soy milk in my chia seed pudding.
No worries. So I do the simple version first, then the very a la, whatever. Oh. You ready?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Okay. Then I'll add 2 flat scoops of shake inside the chia seed. So just a gentle reminder, we are making something that is already pre-soaked. We just add the shake inside, okay? I mean, our chia seed is pre-soaked, and we add the shake inside. You have fiber?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Now, chia seed is already high in fiber. I'm just taking it a little bit to add that inulin inside. So our fiber, we've got inulin. That means our fiber will have prebiotics and also probiotics, okay? So I'm going to put 1 scoop. There's a scoop inside, but usually I'll just use our Herbalife scoop, okay? Yeah, I'll just add. So you got apple leaf flavor inside and also the sweetness there. All right. I need the ball. Really? Oh, the ball is on the inside. Okay. Now I see that my chia is a little bit thick. I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah. If it's still too thick, we can add the soy milk. You ready?
I'm just in the bowl as well.
Okay. No worries. I'll wait for you.
Ready. Do this.
So while we wait for, oh, you done? Okay. Take it hard so that your steak won't be lumpy.
I think it's thick.
It's thick, yours is thick. Then you add more soy milk to water it down. Or any plant-based milk. Okay, we let it sit first. Sit one side. Next is we'll use a fork. Oh, mine is still a little bit cold. We're gonna press down our our berries. Mash it. What's happening over there?
Trying to be efficient. Quick.
Oh, take your time. Enjoy. So I've got blackberries, I've got strawberries, I've got raspberries, right? So if you have any berries, regardless, frozen berries is best to do this because it's a lot cheaper than getting fresh berries. I've got a little bit of fresh blueberries here, which I'm soaking it. If you don't have marine, no problem. This is also the garnish. And for all of you that is in Singapore, Malaysia, berries are usually very expensive. So the fresh one, so you can get the frozen one, which will cost a lot lesser and then more economical. Yeah. So for some of you, if you have frozen berries at home, and if you like to make your shake, and you don't want it to be too cold, then you can pick it out, pour it a little bit first. Well, I've got one that's super hard that doesn't want to give way. That one may be not right one. How are you going now, Marine?
I think okay. I think one is like became so like stuck together. That's it. Yeah.
Okay, now we are gonna do combine again. Oh, halfway down the road, right? You just gotta kick again before this stuff starts to clog up. Yes. Okay. Very nice. Press, press, press. Okay. Are we ready to assemble?
Yes.
You want to have it now, Jason? Okay. So Jason wants to have it now. I'll assemble one on our mason jar. It's not really a mason jar because mine is like there's a hole. So if you got a mason jar, it can be kept for a snack later.
Mm-hmm.
So have you got any glasses like this?
Yeah, I guess so.
It'll be very nice. Okay, now we're gonna start combining them, okay?
Okay.
So first is you can put the jam-like frozen berries inside first.
Mm-hmm.
I try to make it really nice lah. Okay. Okay. Oh, so for some of you must be thinking, oh, how much frozen berries should I prepare per serving? It's probably about half cup. What is half cup? Okay, show you. This is a rice cup, right? So usually we will use a measurement here, half cup. So for me, I'm making for Jason and myself, and then I usually don't really measure that much. I just eyeball it. How are we going? Order?
Good.
Okay. Alrighty. Now you got a base here? Give Jason a little bit extra. Awesome. Oh.
Is
All
this
right.
enough?
Huh?
Too
Oh,
much?
you can layer it a little bit more because to make it pretty, if you start to pour the chia seed, it may cover up this fruits you have, or you can push it slightly outside. Okay, push slightly outside. Then you have a well there, right? Okay. And hopefully your chia don't cover them, so you still maintain the artsiness of your your chia pudding. Okay? Awesome. Oh, mine I think a bit cloggy already. Let me open this up. See how it goes, huh? Ooh, clog. Let's add a little bit of soy milk. I know it's fine. So I think the speed is also important. If you want to not allow your chia seed to start clogging up too much or get stuck in your thicker cup, because it keeps expanding, it keeps drinking whatever liquid you put in. All right. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. You got the first hand to see whether this works. Okay, let's pour in. How's yours doing?
Not bad.
Awesome.
Do I
So
pour the
mine
whole
is,
thing?
huh?
Do I pour everything?
Yeah, yes. Oh, look at my chia. All right. Wait. So I got a gigantic ball inside. All right, wait. Let me fiddle out my ball. So just to let everybody know, usually it doesn't take such a long time. I'm just enjoying the process together with Marine.
I'm a slow learner, guys.
No, you're not. You're doing well. I just have this lump here, which I need to figure out later. Put here first. I'll get Jason to help me.
the ball, the steel ball.
Yeah.
Same, a little bit, a small one.
Yeah, mine is quite a lot. Just left it there for some time. Ugh. All right, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna add some more soy milk. So there's two ways of doing this. One is because it's already pre-soaked, you can eat it right away. Another way is that you can store it in the fridge for a while, right? And then after that, it will sort of gel up like a jelly. Jason is holding up for me. It will gel up like a layer of jelly, right? And then it will look really pretty. So I'm going to water down again my chia seed. Marine, could you share how many kilos you lost?
Since I started Herbalife?
Yes.
Almost 7 more than 7 kilos.
Awesome. So what have you tried before last time that didn't work?
I think one is that I didn't know how to control my nutrition. I never used to have a balanced meal. And even though I exercise like I think 4 or 5 times a day, my weight remained like the same, and I only increased muscle. That's it. And that was when I started the new gym. So when I did the next challenge, I did it with Herbalife. That's when I started like seeing changes in within a day. Like a day I can lose like 500 grams, 400 grams just by eating it correct. So
were you really excited when you see finally it went down?
Yeah, I'm finally at 60.1, so I can't wait to reach like 59. Like that has been like my goal. I aimed like by the end of the year I must reach 59, and that was last year I aimed. So like I'm so excited. Like I can't wait. Yesterday we had pizza, like one slice, and I was like, at lunch I made sure lunch and everything else was like so healthy and like nutrition, full balance, all well balanced diet. I had like, I think tea, the usual things, like I didn't miss anything. And then I felt like today morning also, like, because I followed everything so right, there was not big changes in my weight, like even today. So I was like, thank God.
And also your visceral fat went down, right?
Yeah, because you helped me with the new, like.
Revise the meal plan. Yes. Awesome. So how do you feel like when you saw changes in your body right after? Like you tried with just working out at the gym for about 1 month and nothing worked. And that moment when the first 10 days you saw changes, how do you feel?
So happy. I was like so happy. So I think well accomplished, because it's very hard for me to lose weight in general itself because of the hypothyroidism. So I think it was like, I felt like such a proud moment, like, and it makes my mood so much better. So I wake up early in the morning, prepare all the shakes and this and that, go to gym, come back, prepare the shakes, take it to work. Yeah, and then everyone will be like asking, oh, does it work? Does it work? And I'm like, yeah.
So has anyone noticed like you've lost so much weight and shrunk in size?
Yeah, my coworkers and some of my bosses as well, they said a lot of them. Yeah.
So excited for you. Okay, now let's look into our art piece. Oh, I gotta put it this way. Okay, let's look at our art piece. See. Wow, Manrin, your lighting over there is so much more pretty. Can see. Awesome. Okay, now what we're gonna do is that if you have a little bit more of your frozen berry, you can also put it on top. Oh, I hope it doesn't sink. Okay, let's pick more little ones. But this one also takes a little bit of art. You want to grab something that is lighter so that it will stay up there by the time you serve your loved one that is waiting there to have that yumminess. Yeah. All right, let's see. now you can go shopping already for different types of berries, so you have a different variety of colors. Yeah, okay, bonus for Jason. A little bit more going. Okay. And then if you have a little bit of mint here, it can be some garnish also. Hey, no, before mint. Hey, what's my crunchiness doing? Then, oh, a little bit of this. Oh, so a little bit of your crunchiness, you can also put it on the side. Oops, my angle. That's it. Some of you must be thinking, oh yeah, early in the morning, every day we are rushing to work already. What bother spending so much time doing it? Okay, today is a Sunday. So I'm spending a little bit more time, right, to make my yummy smoothie a little bit more different. Now, you can also make this version in a bowl. And then, also, occasionally, if you want to add a little bit of, what do I want to say already? A little bit of, forgot what I want to say. Trying to fiddle this at the same time. So those people that can cook and talk, they are amazing. Oh, a little bit of banana also can.
Like,
right.
I was like going to ask if you want banana, so I can put banana on top.
Can. Your banana, you slice it nicely, thinly. It can be layered. And then what you can do is also now, so this one has got 2 layers, right? Oops. Try to show here first, huh? This one have got 2 layers. This has 2 layers. Sometimes you can make like 3 layers also. We've got amazing participants that does 3 layers, right? Mine look a bit like 3 layers is because it was dry up here and I added soy. So it's like different shades of pink. So Manreen, if you want to, you can also put like a middle layer of the banana. But remember, if you want that art, right, you want to push your banana outside. Otherwise, once you pour the liquid inside, all the contents, the jam or the fruits, it will just sink inside. Then you don't get that art piece anymore. Oh. So nice. I think this needs a photo first. Then I'm going to show you a next one as well, right? This is one that we have pre-soaked. So how do we pre-soak? So I'm going to rewind it for you again. Okay, how do we pre-soak? I also add certain things inside. Ta-da. To make it higher, then everything will overflow. Anyways, I'll do better next time. Jason, here's your smoothie. So I told Jason, right? It's so much more enjoyable to make this for someone else than making it for yourself. The effort.
So cute.
Can see, okay, nah, huh? Okay, now this I'm gonna pass to Jason already. Ta-da! With a nice wooden spoon for him. Okay, enjoy. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys how to make one that is for weekday, right? You don't need to start layering up and stuff like that and then go all messy. So, oh, let me take, this one you can add some water because inside there is something clogged up. Oh. Alrighty, now next is I seldom use these because the size wise is like just a good snack, but it's slightly under, not enough for me, but it's 300 ml. I'm going to show you, right, from one that is not this. I'm going to show you from here. Just think about it as it's an empty bowl, okay? So we're going to recreate, Maureen.
Yeah.
All right. Now, dry chia seeds. Oh, Maureen, Coles recently have got an organic one, you know.
Chia seeds?
This, it looks like this. Oops, looks like this.
I think I saw, but I think that's because when my family was here, they bought this one.
And it's not expensive. Yeah. And then they were on offer. The last round I bought, I got like 3 packets or 4 packets. Okay. Now, oops. Let's see. Jason, can you help me tilt a bit? Let's see. Angle without my head is fine. Trying to make it work on both screens. And then being a bit tall, that's the downside. I need to use a chair next time so everyone can see me. Right, anyways. All right, 2 tablespoons. Yeah. 2 tablespoons, put it in. Right. Okay. You see, you can make a lot out of 2 tablespoons, so not to overdo it. So this is 1 serving.
Do I put it in a mason jar or do I put it in something else?
You can put it in a mason jar as well. So tomorrow you can bring it to work. Put it in the fridge first.
Okay.
Oh, do I still have this? Let's finish this. So I usually eyeball. For me, I put it to half. So depending on the size of your mason jar, it will be like 250 ml of plant-based milk.
Okay. So
it's pretty quite a lot of milk, but I'm gonna eyeball. So what you're gonna do is, so you gotta quickly pour in already, right? And then you have to quickly whisk it with your fork. Otherwise, it lumps up. So Maureen, just now you mentioned yours always lump up. That is a trick to this. They lump up very fast, so you gotta do it quite instantly, like beating an egg. Yeah, like beating an egg, so that it's well combined. Mine is already lumped up so fast, very, very, very fast. So you beat it like an egg until you sort of will know that it's really well combined. Yeah. Otherwise, also there will be some that's stuck at the bottom. Okay. Now what I'm doing is the lazy way. You put 2 scoops of your shake inside. Don't even need the shaker cup. Lazy. So this is like the quick version, everyone? Just now we did like the a la Sunday version. And then after you can add your apple fiber. Same thing. You're gonna mix. The reason why I didn't wait to mix up all these things together just now was I saw my chia seed lumping up so quickly. If you're really fast, without me like telling you what to do, not multitasking, then you can like, and then you start to do this, the beating of the egg thing. Obviously, I'm not Jamie Oliver or Gordon Ramsay. I can't talk and cook at the same time. It slows me down. I'm like, Okay. Now I see that my chia seed needs a little bit more liquid. You will gradually know. Okay. Now you got a couple of options. If you want to, you can press up all your frozen berries, the jam, right? And then you combine it after you overnight this chia seed batch.
Okay.
Yeah. Or you can actually already dump them in now if you want to, but of course it won't give you that layering anymore.
Yep.
If that's not, if you really don't have the time, right? So it will definitely sink down now, but that's okay. We try that method again, Marine. Put it on the side. I'm enjoying this. We're doing this multiple versions. So you can put it on the side. Marine, remind me, your boyfriend's name, is it Preet?
Yeah, Preet.
Ah. So Preet can enjoy your chia pudding already.
Yeah, he just woke up.
Jason says it's very nice. Oh.
Yeah.
Jason says very nice. Have you had yours?
No.
Or you can put it in the fridge first.
Yep.
Let it chill a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, now I sort of have some jam here. I'm thinking to swirl it. If drip already, not swirl. Let's see. Oh, not too bad. I got a little bit of marble swirl. Oh. I tell you, we got a couple of chefs amongst our coaches. They will be laughing at me fiddling with all this. Like, what? Maybe doing.
I should have come over and now I'll see you do all the hard work and then I'll just help out.
You eat lah, like Jason lah. Wow. Okay. All right. So it's gonna look pretty after maybe if it sets like for about 2 hours. Okay. Now, this is how it looks like. Can't lift it up because it's watery now. But you can see the layers as well from the side. Once it sits in, it will look different. Ta-da! Okay, so I'm gonna cover this up. And it's either you make it overnight. Huh? Oh, different cover. Huh? Oh, not this cover, this cover. So this one, I'm gonna soak it overnight. Or at least different. Or at least 2 hours. Then you have this really nice layer there, and the chia seeds, right? It will be like a jelly, like that.
Yes.
Yeah, it will look like jelly, one layer, a flat layer of jelly. It will look really, really pretty. So I'm gonna have this later. So if you want to level it up, you can add some more frozen berries on top just to make it pretty. So I'm not going to do this later. I'll just put it here and hope that it doesn't sink. Sinking already because it hasn't, formed yet. Never mind. So Preet, just wake up.
Yeah, hey, welcome.
So what he's gonna do is he's gonna try a chia pudding lah.
Yeah, he has to.
Does he like it?
I'm not sure because we never had any chia pudding before.
Uh-oh.
He usually just have his cereal and all.
Ah, this is a level up for him. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. So mine is done. Okay. Now the art thing. I like it there. Alrighty. It's gotta be in the fridge. Thank you, Jason. Oh, level. Yes. How you enjoy today, Marine?
Good. It's easier, I think, following instructions.
Easier following instructions.
Yeah.
Now, one more thing that I haven't shared with everyone. So what is the vanilla extract for or honey for, right? If you want to level up the sweetness, you can actually grab honey or also the maple syrup. Let me come down. Maple syrup. So honey or maple syrup. And then this vanilla extract is just to level up the taste. So if it's per serving, right, you put maybe less than a quarter of the teaspoon. Yeah, it can be quite strong, that flavor. But if you're already using vanilla shake, if the vanilla flavor is already somewhat good for you, then you don't need to put it. So all this, right, is optional. It's entirely up to you what you want to add in sultanas or even granolas. Sometimes, occasionally, if you want to put muesli, also can. What do I want to share? And also, right, the reason why we're adding the shake inside is because you turn around. If it's just chia pudding with fruits and stuff like that, it's just like chia is a superfood already, but we are going to level it up with our shake. So there's a lot of 20 over essential nutrients inside. There's also amino acid inside and also well-balanced nutrition. So putting in 2 scoops, you level up your chia pudding, more nutrition as well. Yeah. So what I do is I have the chia for any time, snack, even sometimes supper. Because instead of going to mama, okay, Malaysia lah, Singapore, instead of going to mama, you can actually have a little bit of this chia pudding. It's really nice and very flavorful, and it fills you up. And for those of you who have bowel movement issues and then constipation, this is fantastic. The next day is like boom, boom. So this one is apple fiber inulin, right? Or we call it mixed fiber. Inside there's prebiotics and probiotics. So the chia is already giving you lots of fiber, magnesium, and loads of good stuff. So this is giving you even more added probiotics, prebiotics, right? Jason, can you pass me the collagen? Yeah, I'm going to show you the collagen as well. So if you put the mixed fiber or the collagen, right, it should be pretty sweet on its own. But if you still want to level up the sweetness, you can add the maple syrup or the honey. Now, collagen itself, right, you can also mix it together into your chia pudding to make it like the collagen chia pudding. Beauty chia pudding. Now, collagen is not just for beauty, it's also for your overall like hair, skin, and then also the joints. Yeah. So my mom, once she took the collagen, she barely feel that, you know, as we age around 50s, 60s, you'll feel that your joint gets really tight once you get out from bed. So it really, really helps her. So she's like always ordering collagen and she's telling the whole wide world how it works for her. Yeah. Yeah. So you can actually Herbalife products, you can basically add anything, even if the shape, right, if you mix them up together, it doesn't go wrong. That means if you have a little bit of all the flavors and you mix them up all together, it still tastes good. Yeah. So I hope today has been a great session for everybody. Give your chia seed pudding a go. Manmin, so how many did you do? Make 2
Yeah, both.
You put it in the fridge already, or
Yeah.
now it's being consumed. Hey, hello. Oh no, it's hang. Oh no. So everybody, give your chia pudding a go. It's really simple and it's really easy. What I usually do is I pre-soak them, and then after that on the next day I'll decide how I want to make them depending on what I have at home. Occasionally I also cut apples. I cut apples. I also cut oranges. Literally any fruits that I have. It doesn't need to be berry. It can also be papaya, right? The tropical fruits as well. Occasionally, you can also put slices of banana. What else? I personally prefer the sweeter ones. I mean, some people, they put kiwi. Soury is not for me. But if you like soury ones, you can put kiwi, or you can put the citrusy ones. You can do lemon rind, or you can also have this orange peels on top and put orange juices inside. So it can be anything because the chia itself there's no flavor. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Where were we now, Maureen? Enjoy and take photo of it and let me know how Preet likes it.
Thank you. I'll let you know.
Hey, let's take photo together. Thank you so much for joining me. Otherwise, I'll be talking to myself. Okay, let's smile. I do a screenshot. Smile. Awesome. One more time. Awesome. Okay. Have a wonderful Sunday.
You too. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.